Ever had a linear actuator fail at the worst possible moment? Maybe your automated production line grinds to a halt, or that custom robotics project you've been working on suddenly won't move. Here's the thing. Replacing an actuator isn't as simple as buying another one that looks similar. Get the specs wrong, and you're looking at poor performance, premature failure, or worse, a completely incompatible system. So how do you find the right replacement? It starts with understanding that every specification matters. The most critical? Stroke length. That's the total distance your actuator's rod can extend and retract. This isn't negotiable. Too short, and it won't reach where it needs to go. Too long, and you're adding unnecessary cost and complexity to your system. But stroke length is just the beginning. You need to match the force rating to ensure your actuator can handle the load. Check those mounting dimensions carefully. Even a few millimeters off can mean hours of modification work. And don't forget electrical specifications. Running a 12-volt actuator on 24 volts, that's a quick way to smoke your investment. Environmental factors matter too. Is your actuator exposed to moisture, dust, or extreme temperatures? You'll need the right IP rating. Operating in a quiet environment? Noise specifications become crucial. Need position feedback for precise control? Make sure your replacement has compatible sensors. The key is taking a systematic approach. Document everything about your current actuator before shopping for a replacement. Use manufacturer selection tools when available. And remember, matching specifications isn't just about making it fit. It's about ensuring reliable operation for years to come. Find the link in the description below to read the full article.